Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, children, you have studied now 3.1.
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
Indian system of
Yes, ma'am.
numeration
Yes, ma'am.
and-
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Indian system and international system.
International
And
system.
look at the place value charts. Okay, Anusri, please tell me the Indian system of numeration, the place value chart in order.
Yes, ma'am. Ones, tens,
Ones,
hundreds,
hundreds,
thousands, ten thousands,
10,000,
lakhs,
lakh,
10 lakhs,
10
crore,
lakh,
10 crore.
crore, and 10 crore. Okay, and how you will place the okay, Fia, how you will place the commas in Indian system?
Yes, ma'am.
Comma.
Ma'am, in Indian system, we will place commas. First 3 digit, then two digits.
Two digits. Okay, from the back side, we will place the commas after 3 digit and then after
Then
two
two
digits. Okay,
digits.
after 2 digits.
Two
Okay, okay. Now, Blesswin, can you please say the international
And
system?
can I move? Can I mute?
Mute. Blesswin, the
Yes,
place
ma'am.
value chart in international system.
And can I say one more time?
Place value chart, no? Say in order
Yes.
for international system.
Ones,
Ones,
tens,
tens,
hundreds,
hundreds,
thousands,
thousands,
10,000s,
10,000,
100,000,
100,000, yes,
million,
million,
uh,
10 million. Okay, we are learning, I think we have learned only that much, or 10 million, 100 million, then billion. But we are using till 10 million only, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
who can 10 lakh? Anandesh, 10 lakh is equal to
10 lakhs equal to 1 million.
1 million. 10 lakh is equal to 1
million.
Okay, who can say 1 crore is equal to 1 crore?
10 million.
Crore? 10
10
million.
million.
Okay, 10 million. Okay,
Million. 10 million.
very good. Okay, now these Roman numerals. Okay. Now, Ammu, please say the values of Roman numerals,
Excuse me,
the
ma'am.
symbols. Okay, in order.
Ma'am.
Ammu,
Excuse
can
me,
you
ma'am.
please? Yes. Who is calling?
Yeah.
Okay, Fia.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in millions and in lakhs, there are 5 digits of zeros. There are 5, right? Ma'am, there are 5 zeros in lakh.
5 zeros in lakh. Yes.
So in million also 5 zeros?
1 million is equal to 1 lakh.
Yeah,
Who
yeah,
can
ma'am.
say? Who can say? Okay, Agnay is going to help here.
1
Yes,
million
Agnay.
is of
Yes,
equal
Agnay.
to. Ma'am,
All others, please be quiet. Agnay is going to tell the answer of Fia's question. Okay.
ma'am, what was Fia's question?
Fia, repeat one more time.
1 million is
1 million.
equal to
1 million is equal to how many lakh?
ma'am.
Fia? Just now, 10 lakh. It's not equal
10
to 1
lakh.
lakh. 10 lakh. Okay.
1 million is
1 million is equal to
1
10
crore.
lakh. The question is, Agnay, how many zeros in 1 million?
7.
6. Yes. 1 and 6 zeros. Okay. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Now I was asking Ammu. Where is Ammu? Okay. Chinmay, can you say the Roman numerals, the values I, V, X, L, C, D, M? Can you say in order, Chinmay?
I 1.
I is equal to 1.
V is equal to 5.
V is equal to 5.
X is equal to 10.
X is equal to 10.
L is equal to 50.
L is equal to 50.
C is equal to 100.
C is equal to 100.
D is equal to 500.
D is equal to 500.
M is equal to
M is
1000.
equal to 1000.
1000.
Very good. Okay. Gautam, can you say the rules of this Roman numeral rules? Okay. All others, please listen. Okay.
First one, the symbols can be maximum repeated 3 times.
We can repeat the symbols only by maximum of 3 times. Yes. Repetition means what? Addition. Okay. Now, Redlin, can you say the rule number 2?
Ma'am, I, X, C and M can be
Okay,
repeated.
I, X, C and M only can be repeated. V and L and D cannot be repeated. B, L, D cannot be repeated. Okay. Redlin. Rule number 2.
Ma'am,
Rule number 2. Roman numerals. If a symbol is placed
except
after the
number.
Only a symbol can be repeated 3 times.
Huh? If a symbol is placed after the symbol of greater value means that values are added. Okay, so that values are
Symbol of lower value placed after the symbol of greater value. The values are added.
added. Okay, Anusri, please say rule number 3 and 4.
If a symbol of lower value is placed before the symbol of a greater value, the smaller value is subtracted from the greater
The
value.
smaller value is subtracted from the greater value if it is placed before. Okay, then
Can be
I can be, I means 1, can be subtracted from V and X only. X can
I
be
can be
subtracted
subtracted from Vx only. X can be subtracted from
L and C only.
L and
C can
only.
be C can be subtracted from D and M only.
M only. Okay, children. Now ready. 3.1 and 3.2. We were just quickly revising. So now I will send the link. Okay, children. So when I say, okay, children, please listen. Okay, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Okay, all the children are requested to read the question and do the answers. Okay, first you have to write the name and class that is required, that is compulsory. Read the questions and do alone. And what you have to do? Don't talk in between. If any answer, try to do alone, closing all the books. Okay, so when I send the link, please try to do. Is the I think the phone and all will be available. Yes. Okay, children. So what you have to do? The link will be sent, and I have muted everyone because that disturbance sound will be there. Okay. Children, did you get the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Start doing. And don't say in between. Now I have unmuted. So don't tell me, ma'am, I finished, because it will. Some children will take time and they need like complete silence for concentration. Okay, children, start. Oh, so those who are joining late, I will send again. If you are not able, any other problem, please write in the chat box. Don't speak out.
ma'am, can you send one more time?
Yes, I have sent already now. Did you get Daniel?
Ma'am, you have sent 2
Okay, okay.
times.
If any children, they are not able to submit, what they have to do, they have to send to me personally. Okay. Take the screenshot and send to me personally.
Ma'am, I can't do in the laptop, so I am doing in the phone.
Okay. Who is that?
Gaudam.
Huh?
Gaudam.
Okay.
Ma'am, please can you unmute me? Sorry, ma'am, can you unmute me?
Who is that? Yes, Gaudam, did you get the link? Yes. Is there anyone didn't get the link? Is there anyone? All of you got, no?
Yes, ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished. I
Okay, children, I told don't say in between I finish, because some children they are doing only.
Ma'am, can you say send the link one more time?
I have sent the link one more time.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, children, yes, yes, yes. See, some children, they have some network issue. They are joining again. So I'm sending the link again. So what do you have to do, children? You have to be quiet and stay.
Ma'am, can you please send the link once more time?
Yeah, I sent already now again. I find 2 children, they are joining late again. Abhimanyu, did you get the link? Abhimanyu? Abhimanyu, did you get the link? Abhimanyu, did you get the link?
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished, okay.
Ma'am, easy question paper.
Ah. Felix, where was the mistake for Felix?
Ma'am, I got full
Ma'am,
mark.
question paper was very easy.
Easy, okay.
Yes, ma'am, it was
Ma'am,
very
question paper was very
full.
easy.
I can see even if the question paper is easy, 1 or 2 children, Felix got one wrong. Now 32 children. So we will share the screen after when all the children will submit, okay? And you had Manu, 2 wrong. What happened? Final.
I got how many?
Huh?
I got how many?
Who? You can view the score now.
Then
You can view the score there.
yes, ma'am.
Ah. I think 10 more children has to send. Then only we'll discuss. Richard got 1 wrong.
Ma'am, because of net problem, I can enter my name and class.
10 hundreds. Question number 1 was wrong for Richard.
10 hundreds no, ma'am.
1 lakh is equal to. Okay, don't say that because some are writing
Ma'am,
only. Okay,
Ma'am,
1 lakh.
Ma'am, total mark is 8. Ma'am, total mark is 8.
8, yes. Total mark is only 8. I have given only 8 questions because this is
Yes, ma'am.
one class,
Ma'am,
1 chapter only. No, 1 chapter only. Those only some children got like 1 or 2 mistakes, and I think you can easily find out your mistakes from there itself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanya is showing something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So you
Tanya
can
is
view
showing
your
something.
score, and also you can find out your mistakes. Catherine got 1 wrong. What's that? Let me see.
Ma'am, Tanya was showing something.
Thania. Okay. Which is the largest 6-digit number. That also confusion. Yes. Where's Tania? Ananda, why these children have? Yes, Tania. Tanya, how much you got?
Ma'am, Tanya. 8 out of 8.
8 on 8. Okay. 8 out of 8. Richard, you got 1 mistake. Yes? First one itself.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Almost all the children got 8. Only 1 or 2 children
ma'am,
got
Harsh.
1 mistake. Catherine
Ma'am,
got
I
1.
got full
Yes?
mark.
Huh? Okay.
Ma'am, I even
Now, how
got
many are
Ma'am, I
there?
got full mark.
How many are there to complete or to submit? Can you raise your hand?
Ma'am,
Much
Amana.
time is enough now. Alim not. Alim, unmute and speak. Okay, okay. Chris Joy not completed.
Ma'am, it's finished.
Okay, children, I'm going to mute because I only 2 or 3 children has to complete now. Let them complete faster. Abhimanyu also got 2 mistakes. Abhimanyu, find out the mistakes, okay? Which was the wrong? Find out. Chris Joy not completed. Okay, children. Okay, is there anyone to complete that? Enough?
No.
Time is not.
Finished. Everybody said.
Yes, ma'am.
I
I also
finished.
finished.
No, I finished. My finished.
I finished.
Is there children? All of you, please be quiet and can raise children who not completed. Can you raise your hand? I hope all of you have completed. Yes. So I will share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, of course.
This is only a class test, and you have to find out your mistakes. This Roman
Okay, ma'am.
numerals and this place
Okay, ma'am.
value in Indian system and international
Okay, ma'am.
system, they are very important. Indian system and international system also. Okay. So almost all the children got 8. Only some children got 7 and 2 children got 6. All others they okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So is there any confusion? First one. Start. What is your mistake? Can you tell me which is the first question?
No confusion.
One lakh is equal to
No confusion.
1 lakh. No, I
equal
was asking
to
Richard. 1 lakh is equal to
100,000.
100,000. Okay, 1 lakh is equal to.
100,000.
Okay, all others please be quiet. Richard, what was the problem? Tanya, you are in 2 devices. Huh? Now to get the link.
100,000.
What was the problem, Richard?
Ma'am, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, but I wrote 10 hundreds.
Okay. So you understood your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So can you say the practice question? In which page? Take your practice questions.
Ma'am, it is in
Page number
page number 40.
40. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So will you do this as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
And if any
Till which questions?
huh?
Till which questions we should do? Till
Children, 1
which
minute.
question?
Okay, let me speak. The practice questions, I think that is in page number 40. Yes. So how many questions are there? 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much you can do? You can do, and I will send the answers later. Okay. So today write the page number 40 practice questions. Okay. How much questions you are able to do, and if there is any doubt, we can discuss later. I will send the answers later. So what you have to do, you have to first do alone. Now we have completed the class test, and I hope you can do that alone. And if any doubts, we can discuss in the next class. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Can see you next class.
Bye,
no,
ma'am. Let's see
I
you
think
next
5 minutes are there.
Bye.
Can you take textbook 1 minute? Textbook.
Ma'am, I need to
I don't
take
have
my
textbook.
textbook. I need
Sis,
to
I need to take.
from the.
Can you take the textbook faster?
Ma'am, can I go?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Textbook, you can see the drill time.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the page number 47.
Page number 47.
Ma'am, I have already done that.
Then, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Page number 47.
Ma'am, practice questions and that
Page
real
number.
time we can do it in our book.
Number 47.
If you have place, you can do it there. That Roman numerals 983.
My
Try to do that, children.
Ma'am, the drill time.
ma'am, I didn't heard what you told.
Drill time. Okay, I will ask now one by one. Write the successor and predecessor of the following number. One, who can read that? Who got the book now? Chris, do you
Fia.
have the book with you now?
Fia. Fia.
Ma'am, I meant. Angelina has a
Fia.
Okay. What do you Angelina, read question number 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Angelina, please unmute.
60.
I think some network issue, not
Uncle,
clear. Adida, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes, Angelina.
Angelina.
I think some network issue. I cannot hear properly.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Okay, Fia, read question. Please unmute.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Question number 1. All others, please mute.
Write the successor and the predecessor of the following numbers.
What do you mean
Six.
by successor? Number after or
Successor,
before?
After.
After. Successor means number after. Very good.
After.
And what about predecessor?
Number before.
Number before.
Before.
Okay. Children, you can do
6 lakh.
1 minute. Okay. So what you
Okay.
have to do? Successor means number after. Predecessor
Number after.
means number before.
Number
All this
before.
you can write S equal to P equal to on this S top of that number. P below that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it that now. This textbook I am not giving homework. Workbook practice questions only I am giving you as homework. Workbook. And if you have any doubt, we will discuss in the next class. Now you are going to do only question number 1. What's that? Successor and predecessor. Successor means number after.
Number after.
Predecessor means so since
Number
there is
before.
no place, since we have no place, what you have to do? On the top of that number you can write S equal to, then write the answer. Below that number you can
Okay.
write P is equal to. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, who can say that answers faster? Who completed? Raise your
Yeah.
hand.
Fia.
Okay, Fia, question number
Fia.
1. Yes, tell the answer.
The successor of 6,25,000
Please count the number. Please count the number of digits. It's have only 5 digits.
And there are 5
So
digits. Yes, ma'am.
62,000 only, no?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
62,500
62,592 is the
very good.
successor.
92 is the successor. And what about the predecessor?
62,590 is the
90.
predecessor.
Okay, very good. Very good.
90 is the
Very good.
predecessor.
Anusri, next one. Children, Anusri, please read, do question number B. Anusri, please unmute. Isha, please unmute. And
Can I, sir? Yes, ma'am.
okay, 1 minute. Isha, only this we will do by the time is up. So, Isha, tell the successor of, read the number.
Ma'am, which is the question?
Question number 1B.
59,104.
104. Okay.
The
Now what's the successor?
successor is 59,105.
5. Very good. What about the predecessor?
59,103.
103. Okay. So children, now it's the time to wind up the session. I gave you only
Thank you, ma'am.
workbook questions
Ma'am, I have done full.
practice. Okay, we will discuss that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.